Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up, you see it? So I got some unconfirmed informations and I saw a post on social media containing allegations about a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jack Cure. Now, all these allegations had been brought to my attention today. That would be the 2nd of October, the year 2021. Now, I want you to please bear in mind that all these things that I am about to tell you, they are unconfirmed informations. You see what I say? But I'm going to tell you these things that I heard and I read in post on social media. I got information that the musician who goes by the name of Jack Cure allegedly had been arrested by police within Amsterdam for allegedly stabbing a promoter in Amsterdam. See, notice me say allegedly because me not have the confirmed proof. And me see quite a number of posts on social media about all these allegations that pertaining to Jack Cure. See? Now, allegedly it is said that the promoter had been wounded to the point where the promoter had to seek medical attention and subsequently filed a report to the police in Netherlands or Amsterdam. You see it? Now my people, I did not get any information as to when this alleged incident happened. However, I got information that Jack Cure left the country of Jamaica sometime within the month of August, the year 2021 for a tour in Europe. And it is said that Amsterdam is one of those places included in the entertainer's tour of Europe. I did not even get any information as to what led to this alleged incident. No, I did not get any information as to what led to this alleged incident. You see, when me hear all of these things, me I say to myself, say, but wait, quite a number of times me hear Jack Cure name called upon some bad situations and some bad incidents, you see? But I am not going to use those situations and jump to conclusion and quick to judge Jack Cure. Yes, I say? Not because a person might do bad things in the past, that don't mean that the person actually will do bad things in the future or the present. See? I cannot say who right from who wrong because I do not know if this alleged incident is true. I do not know if this alleged incident is true to the point where I can say, Jack Cure, you go prison before and you do this and you do that and no, me not gonna say those things because these informations, they are not confirmed informations. Notice me, I try to make sure that you, my viewers and subscribers, understand that I hear say and I read certain things on some posts when I see on social media pertaining to Jack Cure. Now, if I get any confirmed information about this alleged incident, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video and let you know what I know. See it? I will let you know if those allegations are real or if they are not real or whatsoever I hear. I'll just let you know, my people, or whatsoever I read, I will let you know. Yes, what I say? And as for me, Dancehall skilla stay, no. See it? This is the way how I stay. If I don't know that something is real, me I go tell you just like it is. Me not go fabricate no story. Me keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. And at the same time, I would never try to be disrespectful to no one. See it? And I make sure I bring the news as accurate as possible to you. See it? You see, if I hear it from Dancehall skilla, you can guarantee say it credible. Because if me don't know something, I tell you say me don't know something. And I bear allegations me I hear about Jack Cure right about now. Me say post on social media about it. But to my knowledge, them still not confirmed information. You see me? So, make us go on. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, so me I left it to know. Until next time, I'm in name Dancehall skilla. No big up. You see it?